Hey everyone, we have been spending a lot of time at the bins. We come across a lot of clothing items that are really nice, like this North Face hoodie. However, I hate when we discover there is a stain. For example, this has a bleach spot right here. And so we got to thinking, what if we created a custom piece with these stained items instead of just passing on the items or selling them for super cheap? So come along with me. I'm gonna do an experiment and try and do a custom tie-dye bleach on this North Face hoodie. I could probably sell this hoodie as is and make a few dollars on it. I think we paid about $2 that came out to at the bins. But if we make a cool custom piece, maybe we can sell it for a little bit more and make a bigger profit. So this is purely experimental. Let's see how this turns out. And this is a super easy DIY. All you need is some bleach, an eyedropper, and put on clothes that you don't care about because you are working with bleach. So let's go, let's see how this turns out. So the process is very simple and straightforward. I basically just make random lines with the eyedropper throughout the sweatshirt. I also liked making some splatters just for a different look. And I've seen people use a spray bottle. So there's various methods to doing this. And I actually am curious about trying different methods to get different results. So I might have to try some different methods in the future. So once I was happy with how the front looked, I went ahead and turned the sweatshirt over. And then I just did the same thing on the back. So super simple. Once I finished with the back and was happy with how it looked, I let the sweatshirt sit out for about 20 minutes or so just to let the bleach keep working and doing its job. And then I rinsed it and washed it, and I will show you the end result. Okay, so here is the finished result. I think it turned out pretty cute. I will show you kind of what it looks like front and back. I would be curious experimenting with different patterns or different ways of bleaching it to get different designs. I think I could get a little bit cuter design, but I was happy with how it turned out for my first go. I think I'll definitely be keeping the eye out for nice brands that are stained at the bins now, and instead of passing them by, I'm definitely going to grab them and see if I can't upcycle them. So I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Comment below if you like this idea, if you think, it is kind of ugly, and let me know what you would charge if you were to list this. I saw a couple of them on eBay, but I'm always curious to get your thoughts. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching.